I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integrations. Search for and select ConvertPro as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now here search and select Freshdesk. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get access token, please visit Freshdesk console. Click on View API key. Copy the API key and paste it here. To get the app domain, navigate to Freshdesk and locate the gear icon. Click on it and go to Portals under the Channels section. Copy the URL and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now do the field mapping. Also, you can do field mapping for contacts. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Status and priority are required. Please select a status and priority value. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Freshdesk. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now, let's fill out a form. Submit the form. Now go to Freshdesk. Here is the data that came into Freshdesk through the integration. Thanks for watching our video.